The Arctic Parotia bird is basically a bird of paradise. With a length of about 33 centimeters, they survive by consuming fruits, especially figs. In male Parotia, they usually have black feathers with a golden-green chest shield, and have triangular silver feathers on their crown, the main interesting point of the male. Arctic Parotia bird is their ability. As a dancing bird, the uniqueness and attraction of their bodies are apparently. To complete the existing appearance, the male Arctic Parotia apparently also has dancing skills. During the mating season, the male Parotia will perform a dance similar to a ballerina, which aims to attract the attention of female individuals. Uniquely, before acting, they first clean the dance performance area from leaves or grumbling that interfere with their movements.